Dynamics 365 Sales has a number of built-in reports and dashboards, but embedding a Power BI report in Dynamics can be powerful for two reasons. The first is that Power BI reporting is more powerful than the base Dynamics 365 Sales reporting. If you need to do more in-depth reporting, you may need Power BI. Another benefit of Power BI is the ability to pull in/surface third-party data. This is great if you have data that doesn't live in your CRM, but is helpful to the people who do. A great example of this is a Power BI report that pulls in Google Analytics data. This data isn't stored in Dynamics, but is extremely valuable to your sales team. They should be able to view this data in the same place where they see everything else. To embed a Power BI dashboard in your Dynamics 365 environment, go to the Dashboards area and click New Power BI Dashboard. Select the Power BI dashboard that you want to embed and save it. Finally, share your new dashboard with sales team members so they can view it in D365.